Right, so welcome back to Black Stag Styling. In today, we've done a few of these, the Audi Q8s, but yeah, another Audi Q8 to have a Maxton body kit fitted to it. We've already done a few bits on this car. We've done the calipers in red, we've done the wheels in gloss black, done quite a few bits for this customer, Martin, over the last few years, but yeah, today is in for the Maxton kit and some wheel spacers. So I'll talk you through the bits. We have got the front splitter here. Lovely parts, the Maxton parts. As you can see, this bit is all cut for the air ducts. The original air ducts under the vehicle still work as they originally would have done. Moving on to the rear, we have a lovely rear diffuser. Some nice little fins on the back there, to get a little sporty look. And then to the rear, we've got two spoilers for the rear. We're spoiled today, aren't we? So we have, I'm not quite sure which is I'm guessing this is the top one. So this is the top cap spoiler that goes right at the top of the rear tailgate. And then in the centre of the tailgate, we get another spoiler. Yeah, a secondary spoiler which sort of goes midway down the tailgate. But we'll just show you that once it's all on. We've also got a set of 20mm spacers. These little bad boys.
Yeah, boy.
Just to bring the wheels out and give the car a bit of a nicer stance to it and a bit more of an aggressive look.
Fantastic. It's new lockers, new bolts as well, all in black.
New lockers, new bolts, the lot. We're spoiling him, look. New lock and wheel nut key, the lot. So yeah, we'll crack on and get it all fitted on. Let's roll the intro.
Booyah!
Booyah!
Right, so we've got Troy on this one, getting all the bits fitted to the lovely Audi. These are the two rear spoilers. So Troy's already prepped, scotched this one, and he's now putting some primer on, as you can see. And then he's already done his markings on the back, which I'll show you in a moment. This is the one he's doing is that the top one?
Yeah,
that's the top one. And then this is the lower one, the bigger one. So still got to scotch that and get some primer on it. On the back of the car, nice car this. Nice car, the Audis. He's already done his markings, which is the yellow pen. So he's already lined it all up. Just about make that out on there. Same on the top. That's all marked. So he's lined them all up. We'll get some bonding agent on. You've got your 3M tape, of course, as well. But the 3M tape will just hold it in position nicely whilst the bonding agent goes off. Then nothing will be moving anywhere. Lovely times. Right, Troy's also getting his primer onto the top section of the sort of roof spoiler. So you can probably just about see the lighter patches. That's where he scotched that up, ready to get the primer on. That'll match up with the spoiler, and then with the bonding agent, that won't be going anywhere. That'll sit on there really nicely. Right, so next stage is getting the bonding agent in. So we put a few nice blobs of this in on the primer along the rest of the spoiler, and then that will line up nicely with the roof. Okay, the guy's now getting the top spoiler on. Like I say, Troy's already made all his marks for lining it all up, got his primer, bonding agent all ready to go. So they've pulled the edges of the tape back so they can get it on there and line it all up, and then remove the tape once they're happy with where it is, or remove the sort of protective bit, and then of course the tape will hold it all in place whilst the bonding agent goes off. There we go. That'll sit there nicely now whilst the bonding agent goes off. Tape will stay holding it on, of course, as well. And this is the same process we will follow with all the other parts. The diffuser and splitter will have some metal fixings as well, of course. now time to get the spacers on. So Troy has just given that a little wire brush over, clean the hub face up, getting some copper slip on, just to stop the spacer sticking to the hub. And then we've got our 20mm spacers to go on. These will just bring the wheels out nicely, so they sit just coming up to the arches, looking a little bit meaner to go with the body kit. I'll pan back. He's already got the front one on. That's all on. The sort of bar you can see sticking out, that's an alignment sort of pin. That's so when we slide the wheel on, that will line up nicely with the holes for the bolts to go in. And yeah, and then we'll get the wheels on very shortly. There we go, just getting some copper slip, as you can see on the other one as well, on the spacer, stop the wheel sticking to it. And then the spacers will be all torqued up to the same torque setting as the wheels. Oh, we'll be getting them on. Here we go. Okay, so Troy's just doing the prep for the rear diffuser, as we've seen in the other videos for the other parts. Ready to get some primer, bonding agent, and then onto the vehicle. Right, here we go, now getting the rear diffuser onto the vehicle. As you saw, the bonding agent is now on there. Already done all the markings, so it's just a case of lining it all up. Get some metal fixings in there as well, same as the front.
Ideally, Troy, if you can come in just a tad. Yeah.
Right, so just lining that all up nicely on there. And then, like I say, get them metal fixings on as well, that'll hold it all in place. Add a nice little touch. Got the centre section to go on as well, which I'll be putting on once this is all bonded on.
Yeah, that'll do, Fraser.
Right, now just getting the wheels all torqued up, as they're back on the car with the spacers in place. There we go, making sure everything is correct. The wheels are now sitting nicely, very close. You can probably see to the front, to the arches, but still tucked under very slightly. And we have the rear diffuser now all on and bolted and bonded in place. Just got the tape holding it whilst that all sets. Final checks, bits and pieces. That'll have a wash for the customer tomorrow and a final look then. Right guys, that brings us to the end of another one of our lovely videos here at Black Stag Styling. It's been a pleasure having you along for the ride, and this has been some Maxton Design styling to this lovely Audi Q8 S-Line. Looks really nice in the white, and then of course with the black gloss black bits that are on it, and then adding the extra gloss black bits. So we'll start at the front of the vehicle. We have our Maxton Design lower front splitter in the gloss black, working really nicely with all the other gloss black trims on the front of the vehicle, now making it more aggressive, more sporty looking. Then if we move down the sides of the vehicle, we have added our 20mm spacers. So these now nicely just bring the wheels out, sitting nicely with the side of the vehicle, again giving a slightly more aggressive stance. From the front and the back, particularly the back, you get a wider look to it as well, which works nicely with all the body styling. Then at the back of the car we have our upper and lower spoilers, again both in gloss black, both being bonded to the vehicle, also using the 3M tape. So you've got your upper one, which is a slightly sort of wider one, and then the lower one that sits on the top of the boot lid, sort of mid-section. Looks really smart. And then taking us to the back of the vehicle, on the rear bumper we have our gloss black diffuser section, again just finishing off that sporty look. So hopefully you have enjoyed this, hopefully you like the finishing touches to it, just adding some extra styling, check out our Instagram and Facebook links for more of what we get up to. Don't forget, like and subscribe to the old channel. We'll give you a last look around the vehicle. Take care, and we'll speak to you soon.